All right, this is going to be a short vlog today, this evening, tonight. Had a great day, just came from my godson's first birthday. He's the cutest baby on the planet. Kevin and Jenna, good job. Super cute, great time. Now it is the evening of July 10th, and I am going, oh yeah, welcome back to the daily vlog, number 10. Can't believe it's been 10 days in a row. I'm going to show you Mom and Gerry's garden. Because I think it's pretty cool. Again, it's not going to be a long vlog. I don't have a green thumb myself, but I'm going to show you the cool stuff they have in their garden. So come on over. All right, so right here we've got oregano and these little cherry tomato things. I don't know if I was supposed to pick that, but I'm going to put it in my pocket. Okay. Oregano's over here. Cherry tomatoes right there, and no, for those of you wondering, we've got some sort of bug there. Shoo. The cherry tomatoes are not red, as you can see. Over here, we've got a blueberry bush. I picked one this morning. I don't see any, so you're gonna just have to go by my word. Thank you. Okay, we are walking into the garden. Oh, let me give you a full scope here real quick. And that's a standard route. I know it's tough to see, but it's a pretty big garden. I'm not going to go over everything because we'll be in here for hours. So over here, as you can see, we have flowers, yellow and orange. Yellow, orange. Over here we have lettuce. Well, I don't see any. I'll have to ask Mom about that. I think they might have picked the lettuce. Over here we have, oh yeah, the citrus. Shout out to Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. Citrus cucumbers. Over here are some tumbleweeds, I guess. You probably shouldn't eat those. Right here we have basil, 4 lemons. Well, I don't see anything, but maybe they're underground growing. That looks like a large plant. Over there, oh yeah, that's the plant from Jack and the Beanstalk. It's clearly you can see it climbing. These things are crazy. They'll climb on your wall if you're not careful. Side of your house. Over here looks like a potato plant, or I guess beets. Okay, clearly I was wrong. Over here we've got this thing that looks like a Christmas tree. I believe this is thyme, maybe. You know, we better hurry up and watch the time. Get it? Right here we have Shoo. I don't think he belongs in there. Shoo. Don't worry, I didn't kill him. Another yellow plant, and right here we have big beef. Not the beef like from cows and stuff, but big beef tomatoes. They do go well with beef. Over there, another big plant, flower pot. Medium-sized plant, hay. There's snap peas around here somewhere. I don't know where it is. There's a standard hose. I wouldn't recommend using that hose to fill up pools. It's just a garden hose, standard garden hose. All right, and we've got, what is that? We've got a shoelace on a plant. I don't know what that's for, but that's interesting. And a bunch of other green stuff. This is, yeah, I'm not sure what that's called, but that's something. And, oh yeah, chives. I knew they had chives. Chives, you guys could put this on your lettuce, your salads, or cereal. I would actually recommend using it more on salad than cereal. And that's pretty much the tour. This gate, they custom built to keep all of the bears and lions and tigers out, right? And that's it, folks. I told you it was going to be short today. Thank you for watching. Real quick, I know I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Oh yeah, check out my my old college beer pong table. It's funny how those things still come in handy, you know, years down the road. My vlogs will get better, I promise. I will get editing software, upgrade camera gear, eventually they will get better. So I appreciate, right now to date I have 47 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for taking the time to watch and laugh. Hopefully you get a few laughs out of these. A lot of great ideas, big ideas coming up in the fall. So I hope summer and fall, late summer, early fall into next year. You know, but anyways, just trying to live each day. Can't predict the future. I don't want to look too far ahead, but some fun things are in the works. Thank you for subscribing and liking the video. Peace and love. Talk to you tomorrow.